Search for how to buy shares of Broadcom Inc. Broadcom is a global semiconductor company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AVGO. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy AVGO, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will have to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to trade. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker AVGO. Select the Broadcom Inc. listing from the results to make sure you have the correct stock. On the Broadcom asset page, you will see a short company summary and a price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange NASDAQ, and the AVGO ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details. If the market is closed, your order will be queued to execute when the market reopens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is placed, your Broadcom position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to learn more.